Dave, let's take a look at some of these after-hours movers here. A lot of the movers today, once again, has to do with earnings results after the bell. First up, let's take a look at Allbirds. Shares falling after hours, off just about 12%. You can see the stock moving to the downside here after closing just above $5.60 per share. Revenue guidance, full year 2022 revenue guidance, missing the street's expectations. They're now saying that they expect to see $305 million to $315 million. Estimate was for $339.6 million. You can see the stock has suffered since the start of the year, with shares down just about 62% year to date. Again, falling another 12% here after hours. Novavax, a bit of a similar story when we talk about a stock that hasn't really taken off in 2022. Some interesting numbers here from Novavax. Losses increasing, revenue missing. They also see their full year revenue of now between $2 billion and $2.3 billion. Putting that in perspective, that's about half of what they initially saw. They initially saw a range of $4 to $5 billion. Loss per share of $6.53. The estimate was for a loss of $5.24. Revenue of $185.9 million, down 38% year to date. 38% year over year. Year to date, the stock off just about 60%. Let's take a look at Vroom. Shares here after hours off nearly 10%. Adjusted loss of 73 cents. Sales coming in short, $475.4 million. Record e-commerce gross profit, though, for a per unit just over $3,600. That's up about 100% year over year. And TakeTwoInteractive, over the last 3 months, the stock has actually done okay. You can see shares up just about 10%, but the numbers here failing to impress the street after hours. Revenue of $1.1 billion, up 41% year over year. A loss of 76 cents, but once again, it's all about the guidance. And that, of course, has been the story with so many of these names during this most recent earnings report cycle. Full year 2023 view of 460 to 485. The estimate was for 537. So a huge miss there in terms of what they're expecting to see on an adjusted EPS basis. Again, we're seeing shares fall just about 5% here in after hours.